Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tips video. So in this video I've got a very short and easy tip for you guys. So the YouTube videos that we all watch and that you have the clickbait image that lures you in. How would you download that image? So let's say you see a YouTube video and you want to download it. Let's go to YouTube for instance. So here I'm already on YouTube, as you can see. Let's say I want to, I don't know, let's say this car, this image looks insane. I want to download this image, I want to send it to my friends, whatever the case may be. How would you download that? What you do is you open up the video and then you can immediately pause the video. Now that you pause it, you're gonna hold Control on your keyboard, press U. After you press U, you're gonna hold Control plus F. After you've done that, you're gonna type OG:image, press enter on your keyboard. You're gonna look for this link over here. Just highlight the link, right click, go to, and there's your image. Simple as that. Sometimes you're gonna get low resolution, sometimes you're gonna get high resolution, depending on what resolution the guy making the video uploaded this image as. As simple as that. Thank you for watching guys. Cheers.